Alright, team, y'all go in together. Go in. I'll be watching if they tell anything. Honey from North Base went to that other dude with the short dreads, too. He's got it in his hand.
Don't you move. Don't move. Damn, get on the ground. On the ground, both of you. Yeah. Get on the ground. I see that crack right there. Get on the ground. Hurt, too, after him. Shut up. Put your hand behind your back, huh?
Ah, Maurice, where you get Maurice? Ah, Maurice! Maurice!
You said you don't have anything on you?
Weed that I smoke, that's it.
You got what?
I said, never weed that I smoke.
Where's the weed at?
In my pack. Right here. That's all I got.
Someone pull us out. Make sure your screen's down and fits off. Yeah, make sure it fits off. Hey, make sure it fits off in the screen. He got a gun. Hey, check his shit. Hey, get that gun. Get that gun.
That man just throw that.
Nah, bruh.
Man, check me good, man. Yeah, we did. Man just throw that, man. The man just throw that right there, man.
Who just threw that? You did.
The man, I done had him to throw something. Y'all just check me. Come on, man. No more, you know me. One more, tell these folk you know me, man.
Fucking moving.
Bro, stop moving. Man, tell these folk you know me, man.
Get that shit out.